Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly. I am using some purple paper because my best friend's favorite color is purple, so I'll be making this butterfly for her. First thing, we're going to need a square paper. This is a rectangle. I'm just going to take out a pair of... No, I don't really like using scissors, so I'm just going to use a ruler instead. So what I'm gonna do is you take this corner and you just like fold it from here and then you put it until there so that it's just folded evenly, like the fold line is from here to like somewhere around here. I'll do it and I'll show you. So right now I got it like this. I have to just fold it from here in the middle like that, and then we'll just make sure to fold it properly. As you can see, it's not folded quite, but not really, I can't make it into a perfect square. I think this is good enough. So I'll just use this ruler, put it like around here, and I'll hold from here and just start ripping it off like that. So let me just do this process real quick. Okay, I got my square paper right now, and this other, this is an extra paper. Usually I would use it later, like if I want to make smaller origamis, I would use this paper. So I'll just put this aside for now, and we have this one. You're gonna have to open it, and you're gonna have to fold it from here to here so that we can have like a big plus sign over here. Okay, let me do it for you. Let me show you. Okay, so I got it fold up. Now it's a triangle again. I'll just open it. There you go. Now this is kind of a tricky part. You're gonna have to fold it to become a triangle. Like you have to fold it to become like this triangle over here. So you're gonna have to like grab this end a little bit, but also grab this end at the same time. So wait, I'll pause the video for a second. Pause the recording so that I can do it, and then I'll show it to you. So I did it, but like if you can see it, okay, let me open it. So here is your square, okay? As you can see, this is your square. You're gonna have to kind of hold it from both edges so that you fold it into the middle like that. It will turn something like this, and then you just grab from here and you just fold it down like that. Should turn into a triangle. Next, you grab this end and you're gonna fold it upwards to here. Then we're gonna fold it down like that. Then we're gonna do the same again. Fold it up to the middle, to the top, yellow. It's not perfect, but like, I don't know. I can't do perfect origami. Next, we're gonna go to the other side. You have to grab the top from here. Not this one. This is the one that we just fold. See? Do not grab this one. You grab this one, and you're gonna have to bring it to the top. You have to try to bring it above this line. Let me show you. So you're gonna grab this one. You're gonna bring it to the top like that, and you're gonna have to fold it. After that step, we're gonna turn the paper over, and as you can see, it hasn't turned out quite well. Anyway, we're gonna grab this top and we're gonna fold it like downwards. Let me show you. So it should turn into something like this. As you can see, it hasn't still quite. It's still not a butterfly. You're gonna fold it into a half like this. How do I hold my phone up? There you go. I hope you can see well. We're gonna take sorry. Just gonna bring it a little bit above there. I just hope you can see it well. I'm gonna fold it into half like so. Just gonna hold it like that. Gonna hold it for a while like that, and then we're gonna just like let it go, and it turns out like this. So yeah, that's how you make a butterfly. It's quite simple. This is dedicated to one of my best friends. Thank you for always being there. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video. You might as well just share with your friends. And check our Instagram and Facebook page for more details. Now bye! See you next time!